Hello students, welcome back to our online classes. I hope you have all enjoyed the holidays. Now students, from today onwards we'll start our new chapter of English prose, that is Anwar's Dal. Okay. Now before starting the chapter, first I'll like to give you a very important information that according to your text, here the name of the characters are changed. Okay, means in your text, Sadiq is playing the role of Samir and Kadir is playing the role of Anwar. Okay, but in this clippings, the names are Sadiq and Kadir. So please ignore the names of the characters and learn the answers according to your text only. This is only the written explanation for your chapters fluent learning. Okay, means the clippings, in this clippings you will have few statements where you can learn the chapter easily. So ignore the names of the character given in the clippings. Okay, students. Now let us begin our summary. There is a boy whose name is Samir. Okay, and Samir is sitting in his father's food stall and his father's name is Anwar. Okay, students, and the food stall is situated in a small street in Lucknow. Now, the one fine morning, one day, Nawab came to his shop, okay, and asked Anwar that what best he could make, okay. Anwar replied that his best dish which he can prepare is dal. Okay, what he can prepare is dal. And listening to that, the Nawab was quite surprised because he was expecting to find some extraordinary dish. Okay, now Anwar said when the Nawab would taste his dal, he would forget everything else. Okay, means his dal is so delicious that he will forget everything else. Okay, now the Nawab decided to taste his dal, but Anwar refused. Okay, because he said that the dish is not ready and it will take whole day to prepare it. Okay, now the Nawab got angry on hearing it, and Anwar explained the Nawab that it will take a whole day to prepare it. Okay, as he used all special masalas and ingredients to prepare it, he offered Nawab. Okay, what he offered Nawab that you can have the dal for the next lunch. Okay, what he said is that you can have it for the next day's lunch. And even Nawab, he agreed that okay, I will have the dal the next day. You prepare the dal and you can send it to my home or my palace. Okay. Now, but Anwar, he refused, stating that in order to enjoy the dal, he had to come to his stall. Okay, means he had to come to his stall, and if the Nawab would not come on time, he would either throw the dal or may give it to the poor. Okay, and why so he said? Because the dal means he just want that Nawab should come on the stall and he can at a time eat the lunch, because eating hot lunch it feels more delicious. So he said that either he will throw the dal or he will give it to the poor. Okay, now and also he said that if the Nawab would not come, he will throw it away. Okay, and on hearing this, the Samir, who is Samir? Samir is Anwar's son. Okay, Samir was saddened that if on means Samir was saddened on looking that he that everything whatever it was happening over there between Nawab and his father, it will create a problem for him. Okay, because Samir was very well aware that rich Nawabs always give the awards. Okay, means Samir was very well aware that after eating the dal of his father, rich Nawab will give the rewards. Okay, now see, after hearing all these things, Nawab agreed that he will come to the stall and he will have the lunch. Okay. And the next morning, Samir and his father, he went to the market to purchase few ingredients. Okay. For the dal. Okay. Means they went to purchase some vegetables and ingredients for the dal. Okay. Now see in the picture if you can see that they are in the market and they are purchasing the vegetables, condiments and spices. Okay. Now his father, see here that his father's attitude might spoil Nawab's mood. Means he was very well aware that if he will not help his father for everything, his father's attitude will spoil everything. Okay. Now in even Samir went with his father to buy all the necessary ingredients for the dal. And in the market, if you can see the picture, they met one of the Nawab's servant. Okay, they met one of the Nawab's servant, and he told Samir that the Nawab is so means soft hearted and so generous that in the reward he gave one cook the whole new shop he gifted as a reward, and to one chef he gifted a diamond ring. Okay, and on hearing all these things, the Samir dreamed of that the even his father will get the reward. Okay, means he was dreaming that even his father will get the reward. And next morning, Samir got up early and he went to the food stall with his father. Okay, and he watched his father cooking the dal, and along with the dal, many other delicious items were cooked. Okay, like cucumber raita, chutney, chapati, everything. Okay, now when everything was ready, his father said that you can go and call the Nawab. He said to Samir that now go and call the Nawab. And Samir ran to call the Nawab on his Haveli. And when he went over there, he saw Nawab flying the kites with his friends. Now Samir told the Nawab that food was ready. But the Nawab was busy flying the kite and he did not listen to Samir. But Samir was worried about his father that if he will be late or Nawab will be late, his dreams will be faded. Okay. Now he was so much worried that what to do. And but at that moment, at that very moment, he saw his friend Aman, and he was also flying a kite. And there when he saw that he was flying a kite, and he was also kite champion. That time he said, Samir said to Aman that please you go, and he requested to Aman that please go and cut the string of Nawab's kite. Okay, and he reached there immediately back to Nawab's house. Just as the Nawab was flying the kite, it was cut off. Okay, and when he saw, he was very happy. And Samir gave the Nawab once again the reminder that the food was waiting. Okay, means the food is ready and you can come and please have the food. Now Nawab and his friends accompanied Samir. Okay, in the stall. When they reached the stall, they went into it and sat on the carpet, and food was served, And as Nawab savored the dal, Nawab declared that it was much better than even the other items. Okay. And he commanded Nawab commanded the Anwar to ask anything for the reward. He said that he wished to have a bigger food stall, okay, in the better place. Then Nawab handed over a bag full of money in Anwar's hand. Now Samir was delightful and he was very happy, and also means he thought that now very soon he will be rich. Okay, he will be rich enough, and he will have a lot of money. Okay, this is all about the chapter. I hope you have understood that only with the help of the delicious dal, how Nawab became happy, and the dreams of Anwar and Samir, it became true. Okay, and if any doubts regarding this chapter, please contact me, and very soon I'll update the answers, okay, of this chapter. Please note it down. And even previous chapter students, many of the students are not completed. Okay, so please send all the previous chapters to me, and complete this chapter also. Once I'll update the answers, please send it to me by Monday. Okay, thank you.